First up, BMW K 1600B. On paper, it's a luxury touring dream. In reality, it's too expensive, too heavy, and too niche. Even die-hard BMW fans admit it's overkill for the average rider. That's why dealers are quietly offering big markdowns behind the scenes. Next up, the Indian Scout Bobber, a beauty that suffers from its own looks. Sure, it's stunning, with a low aggressive stance and tons of torque, but the comfort? Not so much. And with newer, cheaper alternatives out there, dealers can't move these as fast as they'd hoped. Let's start with the Kawasaki Vulcan S, a comfortable, beginner-friendly cruiser that somehow got lost in the crowd. Its 649cc engine is smooth and reliable, but riders say it lacks the soul of a real cruiser. Dealers are practically begging people to take these home, even with steep discounts. Now the Suzuki Boulevard M109R. Once a muscle cruiser icon, now it's sitting quietly in showrooms collecting dust. Its 1800cc beast of an engine is impressive, but it's heavy, thirsty, and intimidating for most riders. Unless you're a power junkie, dealers can't convince you to ride it home. The Pan America was Harley's bold adventure experiment, but not every fan wanted to leave the asphalt. Despite its advanced tech and power, many Harley purists never accepted it. Dealers have inventory stacking up, hoping someone wants an American ADV that doesn't quite fit the Harley mold. The Triumph Trident 660 was supposed to be the affordable entry bike for the brand. But with rising competition from Japanese models offering similar performance at lower prices, the Trident struggles to stand out. Dealers are now bundling gear and discounts just to move them off the floor. The Nightster was meant to attract younger riders, but the price didn't match the promise. While it has that iconic Harley feel, it's too pricey for beginners and too underpowered for veterans. Dealers can't seem to find who this bike is really for, so it sits. BMW's R18 is a masterpiece of design and nostalgia, but it missed its audience. It's too big, too heavy, and too expensive for the average cruiser rider. Many dealers have R18s they've had for over a year. Shiny, perfect, but untouched. That says everything. The Triumph Rocket 3 is an absolute monster, the most powerful production cruiser in the world. But that power comes with a price tag few are willing to pay. At over 160 horsepower, it's incredible, but impractical. Dealers are finding out that pure power doesn't always sell. And finally, the Road Glide. Once a Harley symbol of luxury touring, now struggling with its $30,000 plus price tag. Younger riders simply can't afford it, and older ones are switching to lighter, more manageable bikes. Even dealers are finding it hard to move these icons.